All right, folks, what we have today is a junk removal. We'll go in here and see what kind of boxes, cardboard we got. Where's the hot rod at?
That's in the garage.
Oh, okay. I'm like, heck yeah, I wanted to show my son. I was like, he got a nice vet. Throw it on in.
Tyson, bring my other phone upstairs. I mean, you can help me get this out of the box. I took you some extra.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, yeah, in Paris, they helped me get out the box. I don't know. They probably didn't feel like it.
They just break. Just pull them real hard, they'll break. I got the TV. Alright, go ahead and take that out. Alright, Sean, from here I'd like for you to assist me. Make sure everything's good. He's gonna put, excuse me? No, you just I just want you to assist because I want you to watch and make sure it's where you want. And I mean, I got a knife, I can do it. Just throw this stuff on the ground. Alright, so okay, you gotta go. Oh yeah, nice. There's a handle. I don't even want to. I'm setting mine on my foot. I don't even want to set it down. I would say put it on that couch for now, and you'll do whatever you gotta do later. I wouldn't set it on the floor at all. We can leave this protector on it, and let's just move it on. But look, my thoughts are to keep it up, but it's the screen up just because this is gonna keep it from flexing. But it's up to you. It's up to you. I mean, you're gonna lay it. What do you want to do? We're gonna lay it down. All right, have move that next pillow over. Yep. And are you gonna face down or are we gonna this up? Okay. Yeah. All right. Wait. Where? I was gonna say. Nicholas, go on his end, and we're gonna put the screen up. So get the bottom of where his foot is. There we go. All right. And keep going. There you go. There you go. Yeah. So you're only this much right here. So as long as it stays away. Just keep going with that. Yeah, there ain't nothing else here. No. You got a stand for that?
Oh yeah, it's right here. I just didn't build it.
Gotcha. Cool. Perfect. All right, Nicholas. Take that out and then come back. For pick that up with that. I can drag this. Yeah, grab the back one. Go ahead, just grab it. take that, buddy. I'll take that, buddy. Thank you, sir. You got to get that tarp ready. All right.
You want to do one more thing with me?
Yep. What's up?
So we probably lay it down. And just put it. I'm just sit on the floor. I'm gonna put the handles on. I'm gonna the feet on, and you just sit up over there.
You gonna sit on the floor?
Yeah, with the handles on though.
Okay.
Feet, I'm putting on. So let's get these on.
The feet.
Come in the bed right here.
Yeah. All right.
Probably lay it down first.
Let's, if we can, let's do it here. Get it started, yeah. Oh, I see what you're. We can do. We'll do, because this is exactly how it's gonna set, just like this, right? Literally. Okay. So we'll work. We'll start on your end. I'll lift up. I'd rather do everything on soft surface. All right. Bit not long enough.
You should. I don't think so. You got a longer one?
Yeah, I think I do. Let me put that that pillow back up over there. Is it good? Yeah. Go ahead and move the foot.
I mean, it's in there.
Oh, it's in there. Okay then. Nicholas. You want to check that one? Or is I'm good? Okay. Watch your foot. Yay! No problem, bro. What's that?
Give me a number.
Man, I appreciate it. We appreciate it.
Was it 90466?
Yes, sir. Where'd you got a Best Buy? I'm about to look at it. Look at that. That ain't a bad deal. 100 inch. Yeah, mine's only 82. Same price. Yeah.
I appreciate you.
Thank you, Sean. Little Nick. Y'all have a good one.
How many you got? That's two?
That's the second. That's it. Yep. He's followed. I'm the third. He's the fourth. So we got the generation exactly the same. Yes, sir. Hopefully he does. Yes, sir. Have a great one. I'll close this door, okay?
Thank you.
Yes, sir. All right, get that tarp right. I'll close the other side. Hold on, Nicholas. Let me get a picture real quick. What?
Bigger from the side.
All right. Let's get it tarped up. Kerplunk. Something's caught, right?
No, I just gotta get out.
Oh, you okay?
Yeah.
All right, guys and gals, YouTube land. This is Loaded Down Junk Removal out of Jacksonville, Florida. We are servicing Regency / Arlington area today. All right, please like and subscribe. We're out.